I always wanted to review the South Indian food in Sydney. And today, or tonight, or this evening, we're going to do exactly the same thing. Walking towards that restaurant. It's called Saravana Bhavan. It's one of the leading South Indian restaurant in the world. It has branches across the world. Yes, I've been to the London branch, I've been to the Sydney branches, both branches that we have here in Parramatta and North Sydney. I would say it's pretty good in terms of the hygiene and taste as well. It's pretty authentic. Whether it's a value for money is something we'll find out now. I think I'm going to leave Sydney very soon.
Oh, is
so
it?
let me just record you as well. He's a kind, great manager of this place.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words.
So I wanted to order some food, so I screen record my iPhone, access the menu card, look through various recipes like masala dosa, Mysore masala dosa, paper roast, paneer dosa, rava masala dosa, ghee onion dosa, cheese khara dosa. So many types of dosas that eventually I decided to order something that I never had, and that was Milagai Podi masala dosa, $14.90. Thin rice and lentil sprinkled with mixture of grounded dry spice and so on and so forth. And this is what exactly I ordered. After placing the order, when I was just thinking and closing my mobile phone, I just saw this AI devices, AI box serving foods, not human beings. Thank you. And the bot got a dosa for me as well. Keep watching, keep hitting like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. So this is our Malai Podi dosa. It looks pretty good. It comes with various types of chutneys. I think this is some kind of curry kind of a thing. This is the coconut chutney here, and this is another chutney. And then you have sambar that is kept aside, and then you have a dosa. Inside the dosa, there is something, and that is, we have to figure it out. There's a podi inside the dosa. The podi is dropping. It's coming out. Just it here. And it has aloo as well. Look. Delicious. Aloo looks really, really nice. The black thing with the aloo is a podi. They used a black podi powder. It looks lovely. Actually, the food was pretty good. The podi dosa, huge masala in it. The thing about South Indian food is that you have to eat everything together. Dosa and podi and aloo, potato that is, and then chutney and sambar together, and then you get a real taste. Tip for eating South Indian. We just finished the food. A restaurant with an AI bot. Well, it's a restaurant where human beings don't serve the food. The food is served by the artificial intelligence robots. That's the interesting part of the restaurant. I think they implemented this during the COVID times, where obviously it was not advisable to come in contact with human beings. So they went for the bots, and the bots are still serving food there. That's the most interesting part. I would say a good dosa, Podi dosa, But I would also say that go there for the balls as well. So what is Malagai Podi in English? In northern India, Malagai Podi is often known as idli chutney. Malagai Podi is also known as gunpowder, and perhaps because it is very spicy, in some families it is also served with desi ghee. But in South, it is called Malagai Podi. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.